So I'm Wang. I'm from Department of Computer Science Engineering, University of Notre. My research is focused on the cyber-physical systems, in particular the data aspect of cyber-physical systems. So when people talk about cyber-physical systems, reliability is a huge challenge because you want to make sure your system works correctly and reliably in different scenarios. So traditionally, there are two aspects of the reliability challenge. One is the time dimension. You want to make sure your task finish before the deadline. So this is about all the real-time scheduling theory. And the second dimension is about the system reliability. You want to make sure your system works correctly, the software is bug-free. And with the human start to get into a loop of cyber-physical systems, there's an emerging challenge that I call it data reliability challenge. In particular, people now start to use humans to function as sensors. For example, look at the online social media, Twitter, Facebook stuff. When the disaster happens, we start to use Twitter to monitor what's happening in the physical world. This is called real-time situation awareness. And also in the environmental monitoring and sustainability scenario, people are functioning as a sensor, like city science applications. We collect data from the environment. But the huge challenge there is human sensors are not as reliable as the physical sensors. And also, we are not independent sensors. We are connected through the social networks. How can we build a reliable estimator that can take the human sensors as inputs and generate the reliable observations of the physical world? So that's the key challenge I try to address in my research. So in particular, there are a few technical challenges I'm addressing now. Well, first of all, how can you get reliable information from these potentially unreliable data sources? And secondly, once you get the information, how can you guarantee the quality of information without knowing the ground truth? And thirdly, how can you consider different kind of constraints in this model? For example, the physical constraints between the variable in the physical world, or the social constraints, the social network connect all of us together. So I want to build a model that can automatically consider all the constraints and also help us to find the reliable information by using these unreliable human sensors. That's my research.